This is Aaron from Nitrous Outlet. Let's talk about bottle pressure. Maintaining the right pressure is crucial for high-performing nitrous systems, ensuring consistent flow pass after pass. That's why keeping your bottles at the optimal pressure is essential. To help make this happen, Nitrous Outlet has everything you need to keep your system operating at peak performance. Maintain optimal nitrous bottle pressure seamlessly with Nitrous Outlet's wraparound bottle heaters. Made from high-temperature silicone, these durable wraps ensure a secure fit with easy Velcro application. Available in single or dual voltage, they fit 2.5, 5, 10, 12, and 15-pound nitrous bottles across all brands for reliable bottle pressure performance. For consistent heating, Nitrous Outlet offers the Hot Bottle Bath Warmer. Built from TIG-welded heavy-gauge aluminum with a black powder coat finish, ensuring durability. This precision-controlled bath accommodates 10, 12, 15, and 20-pound bottles, using a digital thermostat and heating element to regulate water temperature, ensuring stable nitrous molecule integrity for optimal performance. Equipped with a heavy-duty 110-volt power cord, this easily plugs into any standard outlet or trailer generator. The electronic control module offers adjustable temperature settings from 30 degrees Fahrenheit to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. A built-in carrying handle splits the unit into two sections, allowing simultaneous warming of 1 or 2 bottles. Lastly, Nitrous bottle blankets feature a durable nylon outer cover and a quilted inner lining to maintain heat, regulate pressure, and protect against surface damage. Available in 2.5, 10, 12, and 15-pound sizes, and they provide excellent insulation, especially in colder conditions. Right now, save 15% on wraparound bottle heaters, hot water baths, and Nitrous bottle blankets. Plus, from January 1st through March 31st, earn a promotional gift card with your purchase. Spend $250 and get a $25 gift card. Spend $500, get a $75 gift card, and spend $1,000 and get a $150 gift card. Don't pass up on these savings. Visit nitrousoutlet.com to explore our wraparound bottle heaters, hot water bath, and Nitrous bottle blanket sections and save 15%.